Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. Today we are making green grams with these accompaniments. They're gonna go inside this pot, all of this. So here we have carrots, we have tomatoes, we have garlic, and we have parsley. And also I learned how to store carrots in a way that they can't spoil, so I will do that in another video for those of you who would like to store your carrots for long. Also today I'm cooking with my electric cooker. People say it's slow. I haven't used it for long now, but we'll see. So in my gas cooker, so this is level 6, the highest level, and according to the manual it is the searing temperature. It's a searing temperature. And before this video I'm gonna put a video of me unboxing this beautiful pots that I just got today. And because I have already given out the other pots, I knew I was going to pick this one, so I had already given out my other pots, so that's why I had to wash them and get right into it. So our onions are nice and goldeny, so we're gonna put this, a little bit of garlic for like a minute. And then we're gonna put carrots, yeah, so that carrots can kind of like fry and remove the orange juices into the soup for good tasting. So this is when we're gonna put our carrots. As you can see, our onions are pretty nice and crispy. You're gonna let it fry like that for a bit. Let's check. So this is how it's looking. Amazing. We put our tomatoes in there. Yeah. We put our seasonings now. So we are putting this, so now they go in. I like squeezing them a bit, and also be mindful of the salt that you put after that. And then we're gonna put the fireball with ginger, premium fireball with ginger. You grind some. Well, my son doesn't mind a little bit of heat, so yeah, which is good. And I like that it's freshly grinded ginger and some black peppercorn, white peppercorn, and some chili. The other thing is tomato paste. When you buy tomato paste, it's like just a little bit. It takes you for a while, yeah, takes you a long way. So I like tomato paste. Look at how good it looks so far. Looks amazing, smells amazing. Can't wait to taste it. So I'm gonna let it simmer for a bit. So now I'm gonna put my frozen green grams. I haven't made them, defrost, but what's the need, because I'm cooking them anyway. Let's put a little bit of water. It's looking good. So I think our food is ready. We're gonna just taste the salt. We're gonna add some salt, just a little like that. And then I'm gonna put the garnish on top. Gonna remain some for garnishing on the plate. Our food is ready, so we switch off the gas and we serve. So here is the end product, my green grams, my chapati. I had made it earlier, so I have just washed my hands. So this is how it looks like. This combo slaps. I love them. Try it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, follow, and let's make more meals together. Bye bye.